Hello guys, you are welcome to this edition of my training, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to design a broker investment website with copy trading and withdrawal code. Alright, so this is the website right here. You can see the website, and this website is, like I told you, you can copy trade and you can also have withdrawal code on this particular website. Now before we go further, my name is Ade Oladeus. I'm a website designer, a digital marketer, and a coach. Alright, and remember, this training is for educational purpose and should not be used otherwise. Alright, so I just want to show you how you can design a website just like this. So now let's get registered on this website. Let me first of all show you the website first. You can see the website. This is the website itself. It has frequently asked questions about us information, the benefit of choosing this particular company. It's already on the website, and the top investors, work process, and so on and so forth. Alright, and it also have a short tutorial on what Bitcoin is all about. So in this training, we are going to see how to register on this particular website. So I'm going to click on get started. I'll click on get started. Awesome, so this is the registration portal for this particular website. So I'm going to click on choose file. Let me click on this particular file. Okay, so I'll enter the full name. I can say Lightman, then the country. You can see it has different kinds of country there. Phone number. Alright, then the currency, let me use pounds. The email address, let me use this particular email here. Okay. Alright, then password I intend to use. Okay, so if you have a referral ID, somebody is referring you to the website, you can add your referral ID. But if no one is referring you, of course you can just leave it blank. So I'll click on register. I'll click on register. Alright, you can see it now. Account has been created. My account has been created. And if I check my email, I'll receive a notification that an account has been created with this particular website. So if I go to my email now, let me go to my email. Alright, let me check my spam message. Let me check spam message. Alright, you can see the email here. So it's an automatic notification that you receive on your email. Alright, then I can see it now. Welcome to the world of trading with this particular website here. So what's the next thing I'm going to do now? For the admin now, the admin will have to go to his website. The admin has to go to his website. So this is the admin portal of this particular website. This is the admin website. So the admin will have to go to all users. Will have to go to all users to approve this particular registration. As you can see it now, this is the registration I made on this website now. You can see it now, and you can see not verified. So all I have to do is to click on verify accounts. I'll click on verify accounts. So I haven't done that now. The user who is registering on this particular website, now you can see it now, this account has been activated. Okay, so the user will have to go back to his own admin portal, to his own user portal now, and then enter his password, which I'm about to do now, and click on sign in. So once I click on sign in, I will then see the website. Like, I'll have access to the user portal, where I can be doing some certain things on the website. I can also invest on this particular website. Alright, So this account has just been created. So don't forget, this website I'm about to show you is all about designing a broker investment website with copy trading and withdrawal codes. Okay, how to design this. So now let's go through this together. If you scroll down now, you see the charts talking about the indices, the commodities, the bonds, the forex. No data here. You can see that now for the forex trading is showing. All right, so you can also have the live markets. You can see you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and so on and so forth on this particular user end. You can see the market price, capital. You can see the FDMKM market cap and the price. Then you also have the activities on this particular website. So nothing has been done by this user yet, so that's why it's showing all of this stuff. So if I go to the other side of this particular website now, if I click on this menu tab here, let me click on this menu tab. Let me click on this menu tab. You'll be able to see other things that the website is carrying. All right, so you see the dashboard, you have the copy experts, you have the deposits, you have the withdrawal, you have the account upgrade, so I can upgrade my account, live trading, you have the stock trading, you have the live quotes, you have the live charts, you have calendar, you have buy crypto, you have transaction, and you also have the emailers information. So if I click on this copy expert, it means I'll be able to copy trading made by some experts on this particular website. So like I told you, it's all about copy trading website, like for your investments, you understand, for your brokers investment websites. So you can see now that there are persons who you can copy their trade here. So if I click on this view profile, for instance, if I click on this view profile, you can see it now. So I can copy trade like this. I can click on this copy trade. Can you see it now? And amount to pay, select trader. So you see it now. I'll click on the amount to pay and in my current balance. So after I've done that, I'll pay with account balance. You see that now. So I can go back again. I can go back. Then you can see the deposit option here. I can make deposit on this website. So I can pay with Bitcoin and then enter the amount I want to make payments with, and then pay to this particular address. So it's just for me to copy this particular wallet ID. So once I copy the wallet ID, I'm going to make the payment from my Bitcoin and then upload payment proof or after payment. So I have to click on this choose file. That is the proof of payment. I have to upload it there so that the admin will be able to verify this particular user, like a proof that you have made payment. So you see it now. So there are different payment options there. So let's go back to the previous menu. You also have withdrawal. You can also make some withdrawal on this particular website. You can make some withdrawal on this website. So I'm just trying to walk you through what you are going to see in this particular website. It's a very lovely website. All right, you can see bank transfer, you can see Bitcoin option, you can see it now. You can make bank transfer. You also have Bitcoin option, you have Ethereum, you have the Litecoin, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the previous menu. Also let's go to the previous menu. You also have account upgrade. You have account upgrade. You can see it now. So you can upgrade your account. You see it. Go to the previous menu. You have live trading. You see the live trading option there. The live trading option. So this is your live trading option. You can see it. You can select the type. You can say you want to trade on cryptocurrency. You can say okay, Bitcoin, of course, Bitcoin. Lot size, you can click on your lot size, and your entry price, you can say 200. You see it now. Then your stop loss, let's say 500. Can you see it now? 500. And then you can click on buy, you can click on take profits. You see it now. So you can follow all of this now to just, the user can do all of this from his own end. And you can also buy and what you can sell cryptocurrency too. You can see that now. You can see the options there. Then you also have the buy crypto, you have the transaction, you have the email us options there. So this is what you are going to see on the user dashboard. All right, now let's go to the admin dashboard. Now you can see the admin can also monitor everything that the user is doing from his own end. You can see it now. And then you also have the settings option here, where you can change the name, the company name of the website. You can change the company website URL. You can change the company email. You can also activate referral bonus if you want it. Referral bonus, you can also add it. Activate sign up bonus and sign up bonus and every other thing. After you are done setting up that, you can click on what, save. You see it now. Then you also have your wallet. Your wallet is where you can change the wallet address on this particular website, the Dutch and every other one. So you can also create a new wallet. You can see it now. You can click on add new wallet and enter your wallet address on this particular website. So it's very, very simple to create. You can see it now. And then what else again do you need to know? The account information. You can change the account information here. You can also change the email from this particular website. So that's for that. All right, now moving forward now. So how then do we now create this kind of website? You can create this website in just 1 hour. You can create this particular website. So moving forward now, how then do we now create a website like this? You understand? How do we create this kind of website? You can create this website in less than 1 hour, and then you charge your client for it. All right, so I'm going to walk you through on how you are going to go about it. So first and foremost, you need to buy your domain name and hosting. So once you buy your domain name and hosting, you will have access to what they call cPanel information. So your cPanel logins will have to be sent to you by your hosting company. All right, now if you need to buy a domain name and hosting, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, and I can recommend some few companies where you can buy your domain name and hosting from. All right, now let's continue now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to my cPanel information. This is the cPanel here. So this is your cPanel. So I'll go to file manager. I'll go to file manager, and then I'll go to public_html. You can see it now. Or let me create a folder. Let me create a folder now, and then call it let's say BTC, for instance. BTC. Can you see it now? BTC. So I'll click on this particular BTC now. Can you see it now? So I'll click on upload. And then I'll select the file I want here. Alright, so this is the file I'm going to upload here. So until this thing shows green, you understand, that means the upload is successful. Alright, so it has to turn green. So you see it now, it has gotten to 100%, but yet now it has turned green. Can you see it now? So I'll go back now, click on go back. And then this is the script here. So I will click on, I right click it, and I'll click on extract. Now you can see where do I want to extract it to, under BTC. So I'll click on extract files. Now why do I have to create that folder called BTC? Is because I'm using this just to explain to you on your, for you to understand how this is being done. Alright, so I'll click on this. But if you are to do it for a normal client, you don't need to create a folder. You just upload it directly on your public_html file. Alright, so now let me refresh this. Now you can see this now. You can see all of this here. So alright, the next thing I'm going to do now is to I'll have to go back to my cPanel right now. I'll search for database. Can you see it now? Database wizard. So I'll click on database wizard. Alright, so I have to give this a name. I can say let's say LTD, for example. I can say LTD. I can say LTD, and then the next thing I'll do now is to say okay, LTD, and let me copy all of this here, copy all of this information here, Ctrl C, and use it as your password. Alright, then I'll click on create user. I'll click on create user, and I'll click on all privileges. I'll click on next step. I'll click on next step. Awesome. So after I've done that now, I'll go back to my cPanel. I'll go back to my cPanel, and I'll go back to my phpMyAdmin. I'll search for phpMyAdmin. Let me search for phpMyAdmin. Awesome. So I'll click on that. So the database I just created now is LTD. So I'll click on LTD now, and then I'll click on import. I'll click on import, and I'll click on choose file. So this is the SQL file here, and then I'll click on import. So the SQL file has just been imported successfully. So all I have to do is very simple now. Let me now check out the website, how it's looking like now. Let's see whether the website is now live. Yep, so the website is live now. The website is live. You can now see our website, and it's carrying that folder, BTC folder. You can see that now. So all I have to do now is just to check, I'll go back to cPanel. I'll go back to cPanel now. I'll go back to cPanel, and then let me refresh this page. Alright, so I'll go back to cPanel, and I'll go to my file manager. I'll go to my file manager, and then I'll go to public_HTML. So don't forget that our file was saved under this BTC here. So I'll locate this file called config. Then I'll now change the database information here. Click on edit, and I'll click on edit information, and then I'll be able to change all the information here. So if all you just need to do now is to just click on this. So I want to change it, Ctrl V. So I've created the database already before now. You can see it now. So I'll click on this, and I'll click on save changes. So I've been able to change the database information. So the next thing I'll do now is to I'll click on close, and I'll go to functions, and I'll right click on this function and click on edit. I'll also click on edit and then I'll change all my email information. You can see the website information here. You have to change it to the new website. I have to change the website information. You can strike Ctrl H on your website, on your keyboard, Ctrl H, so I can replace this website information here to my new website. Alright, so that everything on this website will be yours entirely. Then you can also change the password, your what is it called now, your email password. You can also change the password. You can change the password that you created, your customized email password. You can add it there, and then finish the remaining information. So after you are done with all of these things now, you will find out that your website will be up and running. Now if you need this kind of website, you can send me a message on WhatsApp with the number displaying on your screen. So I'll have to go back to my cPanel now. I'll go back to my cPanel, then I'll search for my phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. You can see that now. I'll search for my phpMyAdmin, then go to the database I created just now. Then I'll copy the admin password there. I'll just copy this password here. Alright, let me say, to enter the admin you must add /UA admin, so that's the format for this particular website. And so I will enter this here, the password, then I'll enter this here. You can see it now. So this is my admin portal where I can now do other things that I wanted to do. So I'll just go to accounts, I'll go to settings, like I told you from the beginning of this video, and change the company name, change the URL, change the company email, and every other thing that you need to do. Alright, now if you also want me to train you, if you want to join my academy where I can show you how to design a website like this, you understand, the brokers investment website, and that also involve copy trading and withdrawal code, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. My name remains Adeola Deyus, a website designer, a digital marketer, and a coach, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget, this training is for educational purpose. I will see you in my next tutorials. Thank you.